Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will understand the remaining command in the SolidWorks drawing environment. Let's start. In the previous in the part A we have discussed the different commands, and the left out command in the part A I will discuss in this part B exercise. Let's start. File, new. I am selecting this environment, drawing environment, this one. We will discuss the left out command in the part A exercise. Okay, I am selecting this window comes here. First we have to select the size of the sheet. You can select any other. I am selecting ISO size, A2 ISO, this one. This size I am selecting. Size width is 594 and 420 is the height, and this. Okay, so this model view comes here. You can browse whichever part you want to bring. Okay, I have left one thing here in drawing, that is the standard view. If you want to bring directly 3 standard views, you can bring from here. Select standard 3 views, this one, and this window comes again. Browse. Suppose I taking this part, drawing this one, and open. So directly appears 3 parts. And if you want to project any, you want to add more views, then you select the projected view and select this one and move in the direction of arrow, this one, this cursor direction, this direction arrow. Then this parts comes here. In this way you can bring more projected views. Projected view, select view, and bottom view, this one. I don't want this one. Okay, I click here. This one you want to delete it, select the view, and you will see boundaries highlighted with dotted lines. Select it, right click, delete it, and this view is deleted. Okay, I am also deleting this one. Right click, select the view. When you select the view, the boundary will be highlighted. In that, then you click right click, delete. Yes, the view will be deleted, this one, and deleted one. Okay, so this one, this is the isometric view. This is the front top view. Okay, now suppose this, you select this one and you want to bring the import dimension, design annotation. This dimension come here. Okay, and this dimension comes, the dimension which you require, you can and you don't want which dimension, select it, delete it, this one. Okay, in this way select it, this one. And if you want to remove the automatic dimension, uncheck, then this one, select it, delete it. In this way you can delete it, this one. Don't save. Again, I am now new, drawing, this one, and select ISO, this one, and this model view comes here. In the drawing there is a model view. Browse. I am selecting this part, open, and if you want to bring more views, more than one views, you select this, create multiple views, this one, select this, more views are there. I am taking 4 views, this one, and hit right button, this one. This view comes here. You want to delete it, delete, select it, right click, delete, yes, select this, delete. Okay, in this way you can. Now annotation, surface finish. Suppose you, for the surface finish, you select this one, this tool, surface finish. This window comes here. Whatever type symbol you want to select the surface finish, you can click it. Suppose I want to select this one or this one. This symbol comes here. I am selecting this one. Okay, you select this one and you give the value of the finish. Suppose I 0.10, this one, and above 0.20, this one, and here you direction, direction of the lace. You can suppose a parallel you want to select it, and this one, and suppose you want to place here and direction. Okay, and suppose you want to place here, so select this one in the bottom, this one. So in this way you comes here. Okay, suppose you want to add the ladder. At this time there is no ladder. You will see there is my cursor, there is no ladder indication is coming. You select this one. Suppose I want to select this one, then ladder will coming. Okay, so this one, you want to select the ladder, you can select it. This is no ladder. And suppose you want to place here surface finish symbol. What you will do, you select this one, this symbol, this one, parallel, perpendicular, reverse, this one and this one. This comes here in this way. Okay, in this way you can use dramatic format, font, select bold, size you can select from here. Suppose 6 and this one and this one. This is coming. This one. In this way you can increase the visibility of the symbol. Here layer you can select format, then becomes. In this way you can bring you can locate the surface finish symbol, weld symbol. Weld symbol, this window comes here. You select field side, select the weld symbol. Which type of the weld you want. Suppose this is a fillet weld. Use fillet weld used. Field side, around means around the whole circumference you want the weld. Okay, and this indication is coming, and you want to place it here. This one, and suppose this here. This is the location and that is the direction. You can place the symbol here, welding symbol, and okay, this one. Okay, and next is the hole call out. Hole call out, you select this one. This hole call out is coming 33 hole. This one. Okay. Hole call out, suppose this one. This one you can. This is the 20 mm dia. Depth is 30, and this is the counter, 40 mm counter, depth 5 mm. You can read in this way. There are the two counters, counter bore hole, this and this one, two numbers into 5 20 mm dia, 30 mm depth. This is the main hole, and this symbol indicates the counter hole, 40 mm and 5 mm depth of the counter. Okay, in this way you can bring the counter hole call out. Now datum feature. Datum feature, suppose this one, you can select the desired symbol from here. This one, I am selecting this one and click here, and location and the direction in this way. And suppose here you want to locate datum feature, select this one and this one. You can bring this one. Okay, in this way you can locate this one with reference to this. With reference to this datums you want to indicate geometric tolerance, you can locate how geometric tolerance, and you can select this symbol. Ladder is this, you select the ladder from here. This one, this is without ladder, this is ladder, and this one, and you will see, and this indication is coming. Suppose I want this one, this is the geometric, and select this one and click here, location and arrow direction. This is the location of the arrow, and this is the symbol location. Now you will see these geometric symbols coming here. So whichever, this is the form geometric symbols, this is the form geometric, this is the profile, this is the orientation geometric symbols, parallelity, perpendicular, angularity. This is the run out geometric symbols, and these are the orientation, and this is the locational symbol. Position, concentricity, symmetry. Suppose I select the perpendicular, this one, and this window comes here. Range, this is the tolerance, 0.01. Add datum, this is the A datum. and this is the material condition, maximum material condition, low material, least material condition. Select this one and done, and click this one. In this way you can add the geometric tolerance. Suppose another geometric tolerance, suppose you want to click here, this one, and this is the location of the ladder, and this is the direction of the geometric tolerance. Selected. Now this time I am select the flatness, this one, and hit done. In this in the flatness there is no need of the datum plane. Okay, please note this thing. And suppose another geometric tolerance you want to represent. Suppose I want to represent this one. Click here and geometric time, and suppose I want parallel to, this is a parallel, this is a, suppose you want to change the tolerance 0.02, you can change it. And add datum, you can add datum from a click here, add datum, and now you can change the datum. Suppose you want to change with reference to B. Suppose I am selecting B, this one, this is the, and done, this one, and click this one. In this way you can add the geometric tolerance at this one. Now datum target, select datum target, and these are the various datum target areas. I suppose I select the cross area. This is the size of the symbol. Suppose I am taking 5, and this is the reference. This is the reference datum. I am taking A1, suppose, for example, and click here. This is the location, and this is the direction. In this way. And suppose more you want to another add this one, you can take the different symbol from here also. This one you can take this symbol, and this one, and this you can take another. Click, deleted, datum target, this one, size is 5 mm, and this is the A2 reference, and this one. These are the different target areas. Okay, layer, you can select format. In this way, black. Okay, geometric tolerance, datum feature, I have discussed that. This one, center mark, you select this one, center mark, select this one, this whole, and you will see the one symbol is coming here. Click here, this is this one, and radial lines. In the left side you will see manual insert diversion. Select radial lines, then radial lines comes here. Circular and base center marks, this one, this base center marks comes here. Now click here, again center mark. Suppose I want to give the center mark for this this slot. Select this, which option you want to slot center mark. Suppose I select this one and select the center, and this one, this coming here. Suppose you want to select this one, then this, in this way marks comes here. This one, again center mark, you want to select this for this center mark with this slot. Suppose I select this one, this option, and select this slot, this comes here. If you want to in this way comes here. In this way you can give the center mark position. Okay, and suppose you give the center line, select this line and this line, center line comes here, this line and this line, center lines comes here. In this way you can decide the center line of this one. Okay, and hit right button, this one. Now whatever bit which is left out, and this balloon you can give from here. This is the balloon, this indication is coming circular. You want to circular, or suppose you want circular non-hexagon. You want this type of a balloon. Character, you want to place 3 characters, this one, and here item number, and you will suppose text, write the text here. Suppose DEFG, you want to write it, this one, and click here, click, and this one. In this way you can add the balloons here. customize the balloon here. Okay, now there is a journal table. Journal table, suppose the journal table, this one, and table size, suppose you want a column, you want one, suppose 1 3 4 5 column you want. Rows, this one, suppose 3 4 5 rows. This is the borderline. Borderline, suppose you want thickness of borderline 0.5, and this is the inner lines thickness, suppose you want 0.35. This one, layer for format, text format, all uppercase, and hit right button. There's a table coming here. This one, you can write in this table, you can fill the required data as per your requirement. Suppose this one, click it here and you write it serial number SR dot number. In this way, this is the, suppose click in this another box, your description IPTION description. Here, click here, and is you write it quantity. You can write it quantity, and here you can write it, suppose double click, you write it remars. In this way you can edit the tables. Okay, if you want to remove any, you bring your cursor, you will see four direction arrow comes. Select it and select this column and this characters, E character. Select, right click, delete, column delete. This column will be deleted. When you bring your cursor, the four direction comes here. Select it, and suppose you want to delete any row. Select it, right click, delete, row deleted. This row is deleted. In this way you can modify that. This is the journal table. You want to specify some instruction with reference to view, you can write it here. Now there is another thing, whole table. Whole table you can bring, suppose these are the various holes, and origin, you assign the origin value, suppose this one, this is the origin. Edges and face, holes, edges and face. Select this hole, 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 this hole. You can select the edges and okay, and this, and same thing, borderline thickness you can change from here 0.35. This is the inner line thickness, you can change from suppose 0.5, and text format all uppercase, this one, and hit right button, and this one, this table comes here. These you will see there are the different holes. They are the tags for the holes. These are the tags for the holes. A1, this is the A1 hole. A2, these are the coordinates of the hole. Dia is given 30 30, all are 30. If you want to change the your tags, select it, and you can change the numbers, nomenclature you can change. Suppose this one I am changing 1 2 3 number, and hit roll, and now you can change this one. In this way tags changes in the numeric form. In this way you can bring the whole table and this one. And what is left out here, what is left out, and what is the drawing, there is I have left one thing here, crop view. You, when you bring the crop views, select the crop view. Suppose you want to crop view. For crop view, first you make a sketch, and suppose I am taking a circle, and you this click, and this one, this will be crop in this way, and this one drawing, and this is a crop view. This way, this portion comes only. Okay, in this way you can crop view, edit crop, remove crop. This one, when you crop this view, after deleting the remaining area, this view comes here. Okay, and select the view, right click, crop view, and remove crop. This one, then it comes in the original shape. In the crop view, balance, only the selected area will appear, only the balance area will be removed. Okay, this one, and select it, and this is the This is in this way you can use the crop view. Okay. And what is left out? I think I have section view I have discussed, auxiliary view, projected view, model view. I have discussed all the things. Standard views I have discussed all the things for in this exercise. You please, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.